Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. Today I am out here and I am going to prune or trim my onion seedlings. These are the Walla Walla Sweets I had planted a little whiles back from my last video, last month I think it was. I haven't been doing as many videos here recently. But let's talk a little bit about pruning your onion seedlings. Number one, why do you do it? Well, you don't have to, for one. But here's some reasons why you can prune the tops of your onion seedlings if you're growing onions from seed. The first thing that you'll probably notice is that they're really floppy. They tend to fall over when they get too big before you transplant them outside. And so it keeps them from flopping over as badly. Number two, it helps the plant put the energy more into the root base to start forming the bulbs instead of putting more energy to growing taller and taller up top here, or putting all its energy in maintaining these, the little sprouts at the top. So it can help your bulb development. And then number three is it actually can help reduce the amount of transplant shock when you put them in the ground outside. So how far do you trim them back? Well, you want to leave about 2 to 3 inches on the top. You know, you don't want to cut them too short because then that can hurt the plant if they're cut back too far. So 2 to 3 inch range is good. And you can trim them more than once. If you started them inside really early and you have a ways before you can put them outside, then you can trim them more than one time. That's okay too. So how should you judge that 2 to 3 inch range? I mean, you can kind of just gauge it, or you can use a measurement thing. So like mine here, some of these are running 6 to 7 inches tall. And so I'm gonna basically cut about half off, kind of trim off the tops. And I gotta separate these out because I got all kinds of things going on and they need some water on them too. But we're gonna go right about here, I think. Just snippy with a pair of scissors. And then, you know, you can save these as well to put on your salad if you want. But we're just gonna trim off these tops a little bit here and get that done. Now, speaking of transplanting outside, you'll want to harden them off, which means put them outside for a couple hours, maybe the first day, hour and a half, whatever, then bring them back inside. And then the next day, bring them out, you know, another hour and a half. And then also you will start increasing the time over a few days, add an hour here and there until they're getting more used to sunlight. And that will help them when you put them outside. Now, in previous years, I've actually just taken them straight outside and planted them. They looked pretty rough for a week or two before they kind of recovered from that. But you can do it without hardening off. They just do better if you do harden them off first. So one thing to think of. And then when do you put them outside? So can you put them out before last frost? And the answer is absolutely. You can put them out 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost if you choose. The one thing is you do have to have some caution there. They can stand some light frosts, but if you're in an area where you're going to get a long period of cold, like a hard cold snap where you're dropping down below freezing for multiple days in a row, or especially if you're getting down in the 20s, then you might not want to put them out quite yet. Or if you already have and suddenly an unexpected long cold snap or extremely cold weather comes in, put some protective covering on them, a row cover or some plastic covering, and that should prevent them from, you know, getting any damage done to them. But they can handle a light frost. So, you know, don't worry about it if it drops down to like 37 one morning and you have some frost and your seedlings are already out there. They should be okay. And then also with transplanting after trimming, how long should you wait? Now, some people will trim them and plant them the same day, you can do that. It might add a little shock to the plant where they're dealing with both a haircut and getting transplanted outside. So if you can wait a couple of days, like I'm doing this today, I probably won't put these outside until next weekend, because it's supposed to be mostly warm here for the next week, but we are having a couple of nights that are dropping down in the 30s. So since I'm trimming these today, I figured it wouldn't hurt if I waited a week to put them out. Although these, I do need to water these today because they're looking a little dry. But I'm gonna let them sit out here and harden off today for sure. So trimming the tops of your plants, of your onion plants, is good for them. Just think of it as a tactical haircut for your onions, and that will help them in several different ways. Let me know if you've ever pruned your onion seedlings and how it worked out for you and how you've handled doing yours. Do you plant them the same day, or do you wait? Do you do them multiple times? Put in the comments below. If you've not already subscribed to this channel, please do so. Like, share, all that kind of stuff for the video. But I hope your onion seedlings are going well and that you are getting ready for the 2025 gardening season. But we'll have another video for you here soon. I will start doing videos more frequently now that I'm out and about doing gardening stuff. So thanks for hanging with me again today. We will see you all again soon, and have a great day. Namaste.